Build your life, do it yourself. Hey everyone, so today we're going to be drying out oranges for crafting purposes. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So the first thing that we need to do is that we need to slice our oranges. I'm going to cut off the ends. I'm not going to be using those. And then we're just going to thinly slice it. Try to make them as similar as you can because the varying thicknesses will cause them to cook differently as far as drying. So I'm going to go ahead and just slice up 2 oranges here. I did end up discarding the orange slices that were too thin and didn't have the rind all the way around like I liked, but that's up to you. Okay, now that my oranges are sliced, I took a baking sheet and I added parchment paper to it. And now I'm going to be adding my slices to the pan, but first I am dabbing them all with paper towels to get any of the excess moisture out that I can. This way they will dry out a little bit faster. Also making sure that they are in a single layer so they can all get properly dried all the way around. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this to all the orange slices until my tray is full. Okay, so when my tray is completely full of my orange slices, I'm going to go ahead and put them in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 hours, but please check on them because they may burn or they may even need a little bit longer than that depending on the thickness of the orange slices. So here are my slices out of the oven. As you can see, some of them are a little bit more burned than others, so some may need to be in there longer. These are good for any kind of crafts that you want to use them for. Just make sure you leave them out for a few hours until they're completely dry before using them. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, take care. Don't forget to check out my website, mydiyhealthyhouse.com.